Hello and welcome to Advitiya. As part of Advitiya, we are conducting paper presentation competition. In this paper presentation competition, we have got so many applications. So in that, we will be having a paper presentation happening inside. Let us go inside and take the feedback from the faculty and the students. So let us go inside. Hello sir, good morning.
Morning.
So how is your experience with the paper presentation?
Experience, very good experience. I learned some new topics from in this presentation, and I expecting some more in detail explanation from the participants. But so many of teams will be explained by only for sake of presentation, but they don't impact creation of audience, which ideology we are going to be implement exactly.
So by this, any suggestion that you wanted to give to the students?
Suggestion means take the and stick on only one specific topic. You can go dig and get the knowledge and share the audience.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Let us take feedback from the participants. Hello.
I am.
So, how is your experience in the paper presentation?
This I'm first time I experienced these things. I'm getting too nervous, and also we prepared well. And seniors suggested us, and they help us more, and they give like they're giving samples of the IEEE formal and PPTs. Based on that only we prepared our topics, and based on that only we prepare our paper presentation, and we prepared well. We still now we are not presented. Next we have chance to present, then we will explain give.
So, based on the other participants' presentation, also you are getting experience, right? How helpful it is?
They are explaining very well. Some people getting struggle and they're seeing PPT and getting nervous. I think they are first time. Some people giving best, and they are giving the good technologies and different technologies, and they are trying to express something to the, and they also staff also asking good questions based on that and giving the same response based on that questions, and it looking exciting for me, and I'm learning the new things by presenting the new paper presentations, and I learn how to present and how to explain, how to express our thoughts based on this platform.
So, all the best for your presentation. Thank you. We have one more venue for our paper presentation, and let us know what is the response from our evaluator. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay, so all of are having good presentations. Okay, all of are having good presentations, but some students in terms of paper publication, means hard copy presentation, as well as okay in terms of soft copy presentation, communication is somewhat less. That is one. Number two is okay formality following. Okay, as well as so one while saying the presentation, they have to okay utilize the screen, as well as they have to move from one place to the another place, as well as whatever the questions which we have asked, they have to be respond. That is one. Okay, so majority of them are responding in a very well manner. Okay, some of the students okay still they are in the progress. So as well as some students are having only text in their presentation. Some of them only means irrelevant images towards the text. So there in that one they have to be improved. Okay, right.
Okay, sir. Any challenges that you have faced so far in this technical competition from the student?
No challenges. Okay.
Any advice that you wanted to give to the students in a single?
If they include audio and video okay in the presentation, it will be more attractive. Okay, as well as not only looking at ourselves, they have to capture the entire classroom. That's enough.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your response. Thank you, sir. For paper presentation, we have Kalyan, who is the chief organizer for this paper presentation. Let us know more details about this paper presentation from the chief organizer, Kalyan. Hello, Kalyan.
Hello.
So, how is the paper presentation going? Can you explain briefly how the whole process is going?
Actually, all group is divided into 4 panels. Okay, on that 4 panels, every panel we are assigned 2 panel doctorates. Okay, and we are assigned with 10 minutes of time to students, where 8 minutes of time is given for presentation and 2 minutes of time is given for question and answers, and evaluation is done based on some metrics like format of the paper, format of the poster, and how they are explaining verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and also the body language. All this type of things are used for evaluation metrics, and based on all 4 panels evaluation metrics, we will be taking the top members. That's all the process of paper presentation.
During this paper presentation, any challenges that you have faced?
Challenges in the sense, only one challenge we face, like it is timing. Actually, we assign 8 minutes for presentation, but students are taking 9 to 10 minutes. That's the reason. Actually, this paper presentation is from 11 to 2, but I think it's been extended to half an hour or 1 hour. That is the major challenge I faced in this paper presentation.
Any challenges that students are facing, and how are you solving those challenges?
In my view, actually, 90 to 95% students are good in the body language, but I say first year and second year students are lagging in body language. I think that is the one major issue. And the second thing is they prepared paper in wrong format, not in a wrong format, not in a good format. I say there are the two challenges for first years. I think they can develop it in experience during second and third year and fourth years. That's all the challenges faced by students.
So, from your observation with all these paper presentation, any highlight that you have observed in the students that they can improve upon, and any lowlights that you have observed that they can overcome?
Actually, they need to go on some IEEE papers. That is the advice I give to the first year and second year students. Actually, I do accept that up to third years and fourth year, I don't know what is meant by IEEE. So I advise first years and second year students to go through IEEE papers. Not only my presentation, any paper presentation. The paper should be in the strict IEEE format. That is the one request I have from my side. And the problems that can be overcome by students are like they need to improve their communication, body language, etc. Not bad, but they are good.
Okay, Kalyan, thank you for your response in this busy schedule. Thank you so much.